For centuries, we've been trapped in linear thinking, confined to the limitations of traditional text. Words on a page, one after another, forming sentences and paragraphs in a rigid sequence. But our minds don't work that way. Our brains are dynamic, constantly forming new connections and pathways. Our thoughts branch, connect and explode with color and possibility, much like fireworks lighting up the night sky. What if we could break free from the line? What if our thinking could be as fluid and interconnected as our minds? ChatGPT Canvas offers a new language, a visual language, for interacting with artificial intelligence. It's a revolutionary way to map out ideas. Imagine a space where ideas flow like rivers, connecting and diverging at will, creating a network of thoughts and concepts, a space where images spark inspiration and words find their true meaning in relation to each other, forming a cohesive narrative. This is the promise of ChatGPT Canvas. It's not just a tool, it's a new way of thinking and creating. It's a tool for the modern mind, a canvas for the 21st century, where creativity knows no bounds. And the best part, it's surprisingly easy to use. With an intuitive interface, anyone can start mapping their thoughts and ideas effortlessly. Whether you're working alone or collaborating with others, ChatGPT Canvas makes it simple to visualize and share your ideas. Embrace the future of thought and creativity. Step into a world where your mind can truly roam free. Ready to dive in? Accessing ChatGPT Canvas is simple. If you're already familiar with ChatGPT, you'll find the Canvas option seamlessly integrated. One click and you're greeted by a blank slate brimming with potential. At the center, a single node awaits. This is your starting point. Click on it and you can begin typing immediately. What will be the seed of your visual masterpiece? A question for ChatGPT? A bold statement? Let your intuition guide you. Nodes are the lifeblood of ChatGPT Canvas. Each node represents a distinct concept, idea, or piece of information. Think of them as digital sticky notes, but with a powerful twist. Creating a new node is as simple as hitting enter or clicking the plus sign. Watch as your canvas comes alive, each new node branching out from the last, forming a web of interconnected thoughts. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, sizes, and even images to make your nodes pop. The true power of ChatGPT Canvas lies in the connections between nodes. These connections transform a collection of isolated ideas into a coherent, interconnected whole. To connect two nodes, simply click and drag from one to the other. A line will appear, visually representing the relationship between those concepts. You can even add labels to these connections, providing further context and clarity to your thinking. ChatGPT on Canvas. A conversation in pictures. This section delves into the innovative way of interacting with AI, transforming traditional text-based conversations into a visual experience. Now here's where the magic truly happens. The interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone, from beginners to advanced users. Within each node, you can interact with ChatGPT just like you would in a traditional chat window. This means you can ask questions, seek advice, or even brainstorm ideas in real time. Ask questions, get instant responses, and watch as your canvas becomes a dynamic record of your AI-powered brainstorming session. The visual representation helps in better understanding and retention of information. Imagine asking ChatGPT, what are the benefits of visual thinking? The AI not only provides a detailed response, but also helps you visualize the connections and relationships between different concepts. As ChatGPT responds, you can create new nodes for each benefit, instantly visualizing the connections between them. This method enhances clarity and fosters a deeper understanding of the subject matter. It's a powerful way to explore complex topics and generate new insights. By leveraging the visual capabilities of the canvas, you can uncover patterns and relationships that might be missed in a traditional text-based format. Section 6. Organizing chaos, bringing order to your canvas. As your canvas grows, you might find yourself with a beautiful but potentially chaotic web of nodes and connections. Fear not, ChatGPT Canvas offers intuitive tools to help you bring order to the chaos. You can easily move nodes around by clicking and dragging. Group related nodes together, creating visual clusters that represent different aspects of your project. Use colors and line styles to highlight key connections and create visual hierarchy. Section 7, Collaboration on Canvas Shared Thinking Spaces. Collaboration is key to innovation, and ChatGPT Canvas makes it easier than ever to share your visual thinking with others. Invite colleagues, classmates, or friends to collaborate on your canvas in real time. Imagine brainstorming a project with a team, each person adding their own nodes, connections, and ChatGPT prompts. The canvas becomes a shared space for ideation, where everyone can contribute and build upon each other's thoughts. Section 8, Sharing Your Vision, Saving and Exporting Your Canvas Masterpiece. You've poured your heart and soul into creating your ChatGPT Canvas masterpiece. Every brushstroke, every detail, and every element has been meticulously crafted to bring your vision to life. Now it's time to share your vision with the world. Whether it's for a professional presentation, a social media post, or simply to showcase your creativity, sharing your work is an essential part of the creative process. ChatGPT Canvas offers multiple options for saving and exporting your work. You can choose the format that best suits your needs, ensuring that your masterpiece retains its quality and impact. Save your canvas securely within your ChatGPT account for easy access and future editing. This option is perfect for those who want to keep their work safe and easily accessible from any device. Export it as an image file to embed in presentations or share on social media. This allows you to showcase your work in a format that is universally accessible and easy to share, or generate a shareable link, allowing anyone with the link to view and even interact with your canvas. This is a great way to collaborate with others or to get feedback on your work. The possibilities are truly endless with ChatGPT Canvas. From high-resolution images to interactive links, you have the flexibility to share your work in the way that best suits your needs. It's a tool that empowers you to think differently, to communicate more effectively, and to unlock the full potential of your creativity. With ChatGPT Canvas, you can bring your ideas to life in ways you never thought possible. So go ahead, dive in, and start creating your own visual masterpieces. The world is waiting to see what you can create, and with ChatGPT Canvas, the possibilities are limitless. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below, and stay tuned for more exciting series about mastering ChatGPT Canvas. Your feedback and engagement help us bring you the best content possible. Thank you for watching. Thank you.